In this section, we'll discuss about Fibonacci retracement. So now, what is the use of understanding and knowing Fibonacci retracement? You need to understand it first. So Fibonacci retracement, first of all, has many different values. Okay, from 0 to 0.23, 0.38, 0.5, 0.618, and 0.78, and at last 1. Okay, so in this different, the every single point which I have told here, every single point has a different price level is get plotted. So now, from the word Fibonacci retracement, focus on this retracement. What is mean by retracement is when a stock is moving towards upside. Let's assume you want to join this uptrending move, because joining and going with the trend will help you to make money. So that is why always every trader tells us trend is always our friend. So how to join this uptrending move in the market? To join, every uptrending move will not move in a straight line. Okay, whenever the trend is moving up, it will give a small down move like this, small down move like this. So now same applies on the down move also. Whenever the price is moving down, it will give a small up move like this. So this up move, we need to make use of it to join this bigger downtrending move. This up move which we need to use to join a bigger uptrending move in the market. So to join the uptrending move, we will focus more on buy side. To join the downtrending move, we will focus more on the sell side. So now, how to use all this level? In this Fibonacci, there is almost 9 levels. Okay, we are not going to give importance to all these 9 levels. Very important is 0.23, 0.5 and 0.618. These three will be very important level in the Fibonacci retracement. Now let me show you with the chart. First of all, how to plot a Fibonacci retracement. To plot the Fibonacci retracement, you need to first identify major up and down move, low of the up and down move. You could see here, this is sideways market and then an uptrending move, small down, up, down, up, down. So this is the point from which steep down move came. If you look at this down move, these are small down moves. These are all small down move when compared to this bigger down move. So now what we need to choose is the bigger range. So this is the low and this is the high of the bigger range. Because why I am choosing this high? This is the bigger down move when compared to the smaller down move in an uptrending market. Okay, from 17,000 to 25,000 uptrending market, this is the bigger down move. So I am marking this high and the start of the uptrending move. So now this is a Fibonacci retracement tool. If you look at this Fibonacci retracement, which is available for free, this is a TradingView platform. It's also a free platform. Okay, you need to click here and drag it towards this eye. So see, I am dragging here. The black color line is the top zero line. I am dragging this level here and I am clicking it again. Okay, now can you see this? Fibonacci is marked now. The different point which I told, 0, 0 0.23, 0 0.38, 0 0.5, 0 0.618, 0 0.786 and 1. In this, what I mentioned, what are all the important levels? 0 0.236, 0 0.5 and 0 0.618. Okay, so now whenever a stock is in an uptrending move or in a downtrending move, when after an upside move here, which you could see here, when the price is reversing back down, either it will take support at 0.5 or at 0.68. Okay, now either it will take support at 0.5 or 0.68. Look at this, this is 0.5. Price is trying to, after an up move, price is trying to move down. This is green color line is 0.5. Price is not taking a support here and reversing back up. Again taking a support here, reversing back up. Again taking a support here. reversing back up. Very important, whenever a price is taking a support at 0.5 level, it has to cross 0.26 and trade above it. It has to clearly cross 0.26 and trade above it. Okay, when I say it has to cross 0.26 and trade above it is, here look at this third time price is taking a support from 0.5 and it is the red color line, you could see 0.26 price is crossing this. After crossing, how many days it has to spend above 0.26? Minimum 7 to 8 trading session. It has to spend above 0.236 after taking a support from 0.25. Then only this uptrending move is stronger and it will continue towards upside. Okay, here what is happening? Taking a support at 0.5, taking a support at 0.5, taking a support at 0.5, and now very first time price is crossing 0.23. What we require, 7 to 8 days price has to spend above it, then only the up move will continue. Here what is happening? How many days? Every candle is 1 day. This is made a breakout, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle. Seventh candle price broke the 0.236 level. So price was not spending minimum 7 to 8 trading session. Price was not spending about only 6 days. Price reversed back down. So this is telling us the uptrending move. The broader, bigger trend is up, but the buyers who are taking support at 0.5, they are not stronger. Now, once they are not stronger, next we need to look what 0.68, 618, whether buyers are stopping. Now what is happening here? This is green color line. Price is coming near to the 0.618 and reversing back up. Now again it has price has to spend above 0.236, 7 to 8 trading session. Price is crossing here. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More than each candle is one single day. So 7, more than 7 days price is spending. Now look at what happened. Look at the way the market went. Look at this, fully up, fully up and up only. Okay, now let's take one more example on a downtrending move. How to plot a Fibonacci retracement. I'm taking same Fibonacci retracement. If you could look at this, this is the high and I'm taking this as a low. This is a downtrending market, correct? This is a downtrending market. 0.68 is here, 0.5 is here. Price is moving down clearly, and when it is reversing back up, look at this. This is 0.68. Price is crossing the 0.68. Now very important, once price crossing the 0.68, how many days? 2, 4, 6, 7th day price coming down. So after this is downtrending move, price is trying to move up, again the down move is continuing. Very important, price is taking a resistance at 0.68 and 0.786. Okay, now important to continue the trend towards downside. What required? Price has to cross 0.236 and it has to trade 7 to 8 trading session. What happened? Price is crossing and reversing back. It is not even spending 1 or 2 days. It is reversing back. Now look at this. Now this 0.23 on a downtrending move, it has to cross and spend 7-8 days below it. But it is acting as support. Why I am telling support? One time price is coming, not moving down. Second time, third time, fourth time. 4 time price is testing the same 0.236 level. And it is not coming below and spending 7 to 8 trading session and reversing back up. Now what information we are getting? This downtrending move is no longer strong. After even again second time down move, we are clearly now identifying this down move is no longer stronger. So now we need to change our trend. Now we need to focus on changing our trend from down to uptrend.